In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Canva to find and customize planner templates. It's a simple process, but these little tips can really enhance your experience by making it both efficient and enjoyable. So let's dive right in. First things first, you want to ensure you're at your Canva main menu. This is your central hub where you'll find all the tools and resources you need to get started. If you're already on Canva, this shouldn't be hard to find. It's typically where you land as soon as you log in. If you're not there yet, take a moment to navigate to this main area. Once you're comfortably positioned in the main menu, your next stop is the search engine. You'll find this conveniently located right in the middle of the main menu page. The search function is your best friend when it comes to navigating Canva efficiently. It allows you to directly look for specific templates or designs you need without having to manually sift through categories or collections. Go ahead and click that search bar and type in planner. The search will generate a variety of planner templates available at your fingertips. Canva offers an extensive range of beautifully designed templates to choose from. Whether you're looking for daily planners, weekly schedules, or even monthly layouts, you'll be spoiled for choices. Spend a little time scrolling through these options. Some designs are more minimalist, while others might have more vibrant colors or intricate patterns. Now, if you prefer to inject a more personal touch and start from scratch, Canva also supports your creative freedom by allowing you to create a design through the Create Blank option. It's a fantastic feature if you have a specific vision in mind that the pre-made templates don't quite fit. This blank template will give you a completely clean slate, and with Canva's intuitive design tools, you can customize every single aspect of your planner to align perfectly with your style or needs. And just like that, you've completed the initial steps towards designing your very own custom planner. By following these straightforward instructions, you now have the foundation and flexibility to organize your schedule precisely the way you want it. It's really that simple, and the satisfaction of creating something tailored specifically for you is immeasurable. So there you have it. You've navigated to the main menu, utilized the search function effectively, and chosen a method to start your planner, whether through a pre-made template or creating one from scratch. With these basics under your belt, you're well on your way to mastering your planning needs on Canva. Now go ahead and unleash your creativity. Happy designing!